Hello everyone, my name is Deander and we're here to showcase the Baily double flat door today. Alright, so this is our double flat Baily door today. This door comes in a single door also. We just did a showcase on that a couple days ago. This is the first time we're actually showcasing this glass, which is called the water ripple. Pretty cool glass. We just started playing around with this and actually adding it to our inventory as a stock item. Visibility is actually pretty disturbed. The farther you get, the more distraction, more it breaks up actually, and then the closer you get to see. It's pretty cool. Let a lot of light in. So let's talk about the door. This is a 72 by 96 inch door. Always our measurements are from outside to outside. Okay, remember that. So your rough opening needs to be at least half an inch to an inch larger to accept this door in. This is a right hand in swing, which means this door opens first. And then this door has two latches you unlatch, and then this door opens up. So it's called the dummy door. This door has a kick plate, which is this piece right here. We can also design this door without a kick plate if needed on a custom order. So there's a little in stock, special order, custom order tab on the website. You guys can click that and pick that out. Really cool door, really groovy door, I feel like. It's kind of out of what we usually design with our doors that have the operable glass, but we're starting to get into more and more unique designs that we just come up with, or customers have come up with, or my dad came up with. We're just trying to twist it up a little bit and see, basically throwing a little fish hook out and see what grabs. But we'll see what happens. This is really cool. I really like this door. I'm going to show you guys the back end of this also on this door, and how this is also on the other side of this door also. Flip this around and show you guys on the other side. Okay, so we're on the back side of the door, on the interior side of the door. I'm going to show you guys how basically you just twist these knobs, flick it over. This is how the glass opens up. So this makes your life a lot easier to clean the door and clean the glass, so you can get behind the scroll work and get the dust off and clean the glass off. All of our doors have a dual seal that has a seal on the door and it has another seal on the glass to prevent whistling on high windy days on areas that have high winds. Also, screens are available on these doors. On a custom order, we can definitely incorporate a screen into these doors. Different colors are available also. This is an oil rub bronze, which is a black door to start off with, and then we add bronze to it, and then we clear coat over it. This is that water ripple glass. This is pretty cool, and when the light is shining through it, it actually has like little crystallish things that are shining onto the opposite side. Kick plate, duplicated on both sides. Yeah, I mean, there isn't much to talk about. It's a pretty simple, nice, elegant looking door, I feel like. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed the Baily showcase today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS irondoors.com. Or you can contact us at 844-843-6677. Thank you for watching.